In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about oxygen not included in plumbing systems and why it actually matters for your home's water flow and overall plumbing health. So here's the deal with oxygen not included in plumbing. It sounds kinda wild, but it's super important to get right. First off, when your plumbing system doesn't have enough oxygen, it can lead to corrosion in metal pipes, which is a total nightmare because it shortens the lifespan of your pipes. To avoid that, you want to make sure your water supply is well aerated, meaning it has enough oxygen mixed in to keep things fresh and less corrosive. Another big tip is checking for stagnant water spots where oxygen might not be reaching. Those areas are like prime spots for bacteria and gunk buildup, which messes with your water quality. You can improve oxygen flow by installing air admittance valves or vent pipes that help bring air into the system without letting sewer gases escape. Also, regular maintenance like flushing your system helps keep oxygen levels balanced and stops nasty buildup inside your pipes. If you're dealing with well water, consider installing an aerator or oxygen injection system to boost oxygen naturally, and always keep an eye on water pressure because low pressure can mean less oxygen circulating around. Lastly, if you notice any weird smells or rusty-looking water, it's a sign your plumbing might be lacking oxygen and needs professional attention. One of the biggest mistakes people make with plumbing oxygen levels is ignoring the signs of corrosion until it's too late, like when leaks start popping up unexpectedly. Another common issue is poor ventilation in the plumbing system, which traps gases and kills oxygen flow, leading to smelly drains and pipe damage. And a third mistake is forgetting that water heaters and storage tanks need proper oxygen balance too, otherwise you get scale buildup and inefficiency that costs you more money down the line. Fixing these is usually about adding vents, flushing pipes regularly, and sometimes upgrading parts to ones designed for better oxygen circulation. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners like you can link up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about plumbing and other home needs. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to find steady work connecting with people who want reliable service without all the usual hassle.